Welcome YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to detail your engine bay with tools you have around the house. If you're selling your car, this is a great way to increase its value. So look at that. I will show you how to change your car from this to this. So first you want to get yourself organized. I've got a mobile detailing kit here. I've got all the tools I need for interior exterior detailing. Tools for this job, you're going to need an all-purpose cleaner, which I got on the far left. I've got a dressing to restore the plastic. It's called Mother's Black Back to Black. Various scrub brushes and toothbrushes. So this is my 2006 Toyota Yaris. Engine bay was pretty dusty. I previously, the day before, I washed it with my pressure washer in a Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink foam bath. As you can see, a lot of the fittings have rust on it. I was a little disappointed with the 2006 Yaris that I've owned. This is my third Echo in about 4 months. I buy and sell Echos or Yarises, flip them for profit. It seems like after 2006, all the fittings and clamps are not stainless steel anymore. They're just regular steel. So there's a bit of rust there. So here I am applying my all-purpose cleaner. It's Chemical Guy's. It's a concentrate. I dilute 20 to 1 for interior, 10 to 1 for exterior, engine parts and tires and such. I'll put a link in the description to where to buy all the stuff you see here. So here I'm applying the all-purpose cleaner using a brush to agitate. Agitation and foam kind of breaks up the dirt and grease and brings it to the surface. Or you can wipe it off. Being an engine bay, I chose to just use a spray bottle in my hand, and I'm applying some soap and then wiping it off with microfiber towels. And a toothbrush. Old toothbrush. It works wonders. Just making sure that cap is on all the way. So again, guys, a lot of the stuff you may already have at home. All-purpose cleaners, you can find them any supermarket. Brushes, this is an old brush. Being for under the hood where there's grease in that, I kind of use brushes that are on their last legs. The ones that I've used everywhere else. And an old toothbrush. So I live in a condo, and I do almost all my work in the condo garage. So I've got a fluorescent mobile light set up to help me see. Guys, if you're still with me, please hit like and subscribe. Really helps me out. You know, this detail took half an hour to do, but the video editing takes a good hour. It's a new channel. I'm just learning how to use my iPhone 7, GoPro. So here's kind of a before pan and an after. hard to get the rust out, but everything else, it's like a night and day difference. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.